Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Abby Bliss White, and today I just had a few more things that I wanted to briefly talk about and do a little unboxing and share a new favorite. So really quick, I didn't mention this the other day because I wanted to make sure my daughter actually liked it, but we had recently picked up Kate Somerville's Breakout Fighters little kit. And I wanted to mention this because we kind of think we figured out a really good combo for my daughter's 16-year-old skin, that she has a little bit of acne, but her skin is also dry. So we have been kind of tinkering around with a lot of little different kind of combos, and I have to tell you, her skin is just absolutely glowing right now. It is so clear, and we were just thought I wanted her to come on and actually share so you could see her beautiful skin, but she was having none of that. That would be way too embarrassing. So I just wanted to share kind of her little routine and what comes in this kit, and then what we're doing. So in the kit itself, it comes with this Eradicate Daily Foaming Cleanser. It comes with the Eradicate Acne Treatment. And you guys, this is kind of similar. I think it's that, I want to say Barrio de Badesco. But anyways, it's one of those kind of sulfur kind of acne treatments. And then we have the Salicylic Acid Acne Treatment, and then an oil-free moisturizer. Okay, so that's what comes in the little kit. So I have been telling her for a long time, because I've watched one of my favorite little YouTubers is Anna Jaffrey, and she says that she suffers from acne, and she absolutely swears by this little Eradicate Daily Foaming Cleanser. And so I had been kind of telling my daughter, I think you should try this because I think that it's not too drying for the skin. Anyways, so she's been using that along with a couple Drunk Elephant combinations. So in the kit, you know, she'll use this on spots where she needs it. She's been doing a layer of this little acne treatment, again, kind of where she needs it. And then she likes, her favorite moisturizer ever is the Drunk Elephant LALA Whipped Cream, which I'm really bummed out. Not bummed out, but I realize that basically she needs a new one. You can open it up, you guys, and kind of see where you're at. Anyways, not bummed, but just, you know, it's her stuff is digging into my little overall Sephora budget, which I'm happy to do for her, creating a little monster. But anyways, she loves this. And again, you guys, she has dry skin. So the thing that we just added in, and this is from my bathroom, but I, again, have a lot of these AHA and BHA kind of, you know, exfoliators, but I gave her the TLC Framboos Glycolic Night Serum. And literally, you guys, she's been using this for about a week. I kind of think this might be the main thing because I keep on telling her to kind of, you know, you need some sort of exfoliation, and I don't, you know, she's worried about scrubs and such, which I'm glad because, you know, she's worried it's going to spread acne around. But she has been using this, and literally, I don't know if it's exactly maybe switching her cleanser or if it's just this, but her skin has been so clear. She's just absolutely jumping up for joy. She literally has not been wearing any makeup on her skin, which I think also, since adding this in, she hasn't felt the need to. She'll use a little concealer, but otherwise, I just am so excited because this combo is working. In the mornings, she is also using this guy, the Bee Hydra. So I think that we're doing two things by hydrating the skin, because again, she's kind of unique in the fact that she has dry skin with acne versus a lot of teens have kind of more oily skin. Unfortunately, she takes after mama with the dry skin. But anyways, I was thinking that combo, I just think if you wanted to try anything, this is a little kit that I think is, you know, $55, and you could get it on sale at the Sephora sale if this is something that you or your child might need. And I don't know if she's been using the oil-free. It doesn't look like it. I don't think she's been using this, but she's never had any problems with the LALA whipped cream. So anyways, it's a combination of Drunk Elephant and Kate Somerville, but she has been using this at night and then topping it with her LALA. And then in the morning, she has been doing her cleanser, and she's been using this Eradicate salicylic acid treatment, and then using the Bee Hydra along with the LALA. So anyways, I just have to say, literally, her skin is glowing. It just it makes me so happy. Okay, you guys, as many of you know, I do not like concealer very much. I just feel like it makes my skin look older, or, you know, right under here. And you guys, I think I might have found something that I'm so in love with. So Natura Bisse, I got a sample of this the other day, and it's called the Cure Sheer Eye. So this is an eye cream, but it's got a little tint, and I swear it is like absolutely perfect for me, as far as it just acts like a concealer, but it's kind of thick and it's very moisturizing. And I have it on right now, you guys. I just used that, and I find that it's kind of like my concealer and eye cream in one for the morning. I'm absolutely in love with it. It is one of these things that isn't going to crease, because it just is kind of an eye moisturizer, and I am loving it. So sometimes, I'm not sure if this is going to happen, but sometimes during the Sephora sale, Blue Mercury will also have a sale. I think theirs is usually more like 15%, but I often kind of look at that, and this is where you can buy this Natura Bisse, the Cure Sheer Eye. I'm absolutely loving this. And you guys, I don't know what to tell you. I just feel like it adds a little bit of concealer-like coverage to my dark spots, but it's also so moisturizing. I am so in love with it. So that's been my new discovery. And then you guys, I got a little unboxing to do. A company from Los Angeles named Bella Skin Beauty, and again, I'm going to put a picture up there, sent me a whole little, a bunch of their skincare. So I'm going to just unbox this with you, and then I will give you an update. But okay, you guys, this is a Los Angeles based skincare company. It's all organic skincare, handcrafted in Los Angeles. All of this sounding very good right now. And they sent me their beauty serum. And this is from, it says it's truly an all-in-one serum, moisturizer, cream, skin repairing miracle. It's a potent, healing, nourishing superpower that truly adapts to your skin due to the perfect combination of healing and anti-aging ingredients. You guys, this seems very interesting. And again, I'm going to do a whole dedicated video on this. But anyways, we got the beauty serum, and then we got the Manuka Coffee Face Scrub. That sounds interesting. I don't normally do scrubs on my face. I'm gonna check out something really quick, because coffee grounds seem like it's gonna be a little bit too aggressive, but ooh, okay. You know what, you guys? This actually is very finely milled. I don't know. Oh gosh, you guys, that smells amazing. Coffee and honey together. I love that. Okay. That, let me see what else. This is kind of fun. Ooh, okay, the eye serum. This looks super nice. And again, you guys, let me just walk through everything here. Let's check it out. A little fun unboxing all together. Okay. And then they sent me, a bunch of, let's see what's all included in here. Thank you, Bella. I'm so excited to give these a try. Okay, they sent me the body oil. And then they sent the vitamin C serum. That's gonna be, we'll check that guy out, as well as their toner. And I just wanna give a quick smell here. Wow, okay, you guys, everything smells delicious and absolutely wonderful. So that is kind of fun. Let's see. We are excited for you to try our luxury all organic skin line. We hope that you love us. Let us know if you have any questions. And that is so awesome. Okay, you guys, I will definitely give these a try. Super excited about that. And that is it. I just wanted to pop on, tell you that I'm super excited about this, the Cure Sheer Eye Cream, as well as just kind of wanted to give you a little updates. I don't know if any of you guys have teenagers who also suffer from acne, or maybe it's yourself, but anytime that we kind of find a combo that's actually working for her, I do like to kind of pop on and give you a little heads up and say yes. And again, she really just fell in head over heels in love with this. I know that it's an expensive night serum, but if her skin is clearing up and it's making her feel confident and healthy and happy, then I'm happy as well. So anyways, just wanted to share that. Again, quick last one before the Sephora sale. I hope you guys have a great weekend. And then I just did want to give you a little heads up. I am coming into my super busy season. I have just launched my spring detox. If any of you guys want to join in, there is still time. We just started with day 1 of prep yesterday. And we have such an amazing group. There is a bunch of you YouTubers. There's people from all across the country, but there still is time to jump in. And again, you can go to Detox with Bliss. But due to that, I will be posting, I will be doing a few videos, but I'm gonna have to slow my roll because I'm gonna be working, I'm gonna be in the kitchen, I'm gonna be detoxing and supporting my group. So if you do not see me for a little bit of time or a little bit more sporadic, just know that is what I'm doing. And again, if you wanna come and be a part of that group, we would love it. So, okay, you guys have a fantastic rest of your weekend. Have fun at the Sephora sale, and I will talk to you guys soon.